Hello. I have dirty clothes.
Welcome to our dry cleaning.
Here is my black suit.
Do you want it cleaned?
Yes, it is very dirty.
Are there any big spots?
No, just regular street dust.
We will clean it well.
Should I bring the shirt?
Yes, bring the white shirt.
I have it right here.
I will add the shirt.
How much is the total?
It is exactly $40.
I will pay the cash.
Here is your paper ticket.
When will it be ready?
Come back on next Tuesday.
Is it open on Tuesday?
Yes, we open very early.
What time do you open?
We open at 8 morning.
I will come at 9.
See you next Tuesday then.
Thank you for the service.
Good morning. I need help.
What is the problem today?
I spilled some hot coffee.
Let me see the shirt.
Here is the big spot.
It is a dark stain.
Can you remove it completely?
We will try our best.
Is it a fresh stain?
Yes, it happened this morning.
Fresh stains are much easier.
I hope it washes out.
We use very strong soap.
Will it ruin the color?
No, the color stays safe.
How much will it cost?
Stain removal is $10.
That is a fair price.
I will leave it here.
Give me your phone number.
My number is 55.
I will call you later.
Thank you for your help.
We will fix your shirt.
Have a very good day.
Excuse me, how does this work?
Are you washing clothes today?
Yes, this is my basket.
Put your clothes inside machine.
I am putting them in.
Do not overload the drum.
Is it too full now?
No, that is perfectly fine.
Where do I put soap?
Pour soap in top box.
I poured the blue soap.
Now close the round door.
The door is firmly closed.
Choose the right water temperature.
I need warm water today.
Press the big warm button.
I pressed the warm button.
Now insert your $5.
I am inserting paper cash.
The washing machine started working.
How long is the wash?
It takes exactly 40 minutes.
I will wait on chair.
Do you need a dryer?
Yes, I will use dryer.
Hello, I came for suit.
Do you have the ticket?
Yes, here is the paper.
Let me find your clothes.
It is a gray suit.
Here is your clean suit.
It looks very nice now.
We ironed it very carefully.
Thank you. It is perfect.
Did you pay last week?
No, I must pay today.
The price is $30.
I have exact paper cash.
Thank you very much, sir.
Do you sell plastic covers?
The cover is completely free.
I need a big cover.
I will put it on.
Will it fit in car?
Yes, lay it very flat.
I will carry it gently.
Have a very good evening.
Thank you for good work.
We are happy to help.
See you next month again.
Hello, can you fix this?
What is broken on it?
The coat lost a button.
Show me the exact place.
It is the top button.
Do you have the button?
Yes, it is right here.
We can sew it back.
Will it hold very strong?
Yes, we use thick thread.
The coat has a hole.
We can patch the hole.
Can you hide the patch?
It will be invisible completely.
How much is the work?
Sewing is just $15.
I will pay the cash.
Leave your coat with me.
When can I take it?
It is ready tomorrow evening.
I will come tomorrow then.
Here is your small receipt.
Thank you for fixing it.
Your coat will look new.
I am very glad now.